It's another day in paradise. I'm out here with my shovel and with a beer. What the heck else do you need?
Live happy, fun-loving, and carefree.
You have dreams, amazing dreams. You have plans, awesome plans. Right now, are you where you want to be? Are you with the people that you want to be with? Are you doing exactly what it is that you want to be doing right now? Hey, if you are, that's awesome, and I am so amazingly happy for you. But if you aren't, why not? Why aren't you living your dreams, living in paradise, doing what you want to do right now? It's always that, well, someday I'll do it. Someday it'll get better. Someday I'll have time. Well, someday should be today, because tomorrow, next week, a month from now, who knows how much time we have. And the world is bizarrely, insanely crazy right now. So I want you to be really thinking about it. And whether you have a shovel on your homestead or your favorite beverage, I want you to be thinking about living the life of your dreams right now, today, because that's what it's really all about. And the situation, again, there's so much noise out there. And one of my favorite things to say is people make up rules for other people. So we've got all these crazy rule-making people out there that think they know what's good for you, and they just make up rules. Oh, you need a permit to do this. Oh, you got to get a license to do that. Oh, you can't do that. That you got to be this age to do this, or that's against the law to do that. Now, in all seriousness, I'm certainly not talking about living in a world of anarchy, that just everybody does whatever they want to do. I'm not saying that you should throw your family and your friends and your neighbors and even people that you don't like under the bus. I mean, sure, it'd be nice to walk up to people that you don't like and slap them in the face occasionally. But I'm really not advocating that, I mean, when we're driving down the road in our car, it's kind of nice that we all agree which side of the road we should be driving on, and then that we use stop signs correctly. That makes sense. What I'm just saying is that we all should be able to live the life that we want to live, as long as we're not bugging and bothering anybody else. So if you want to do something, you should be able to do that. You shouldn't have to go to some job that you don't like and work for a boss that you don't like and all of that just to pay bills that you don't like, when you'd rather be doing something else. And you may want to be in the city, you may like to go to the museums and things like that. Then you should be able to do that when you want to do it. If you want to go fishing, you should be able to go fishing. It's just those things. But people like to make up rules, and we have all these people today that just make up rules for other people, and hey, they don't live by the rules. We see that all the time about, well, you can't go do this, and then they go off and do it. And then they're like, oh, well, geez, I'm sorry when they get caught, and like that just makes it go away. So I want you to really be thinking about what it is that makes you happy, and I want you to be doing it today. So get your shovel, get your beverage, get out on your homestead, go camping if that's what you like to do with your family, and, just quit abiding by all these ridiculous rules that people make up about how you should be living your life. Rules, rules, rules. It's just downright silly. Now, don't go and slap your boss in the face just because he deserves it. But just think about it, and then head the other way and do what it is that you want to do, because it's all about being happy, living a life that's fun loving and carefree, whatever that means for you. So seriously, I built this shovel guitar just for something fun to do. I didn't worry about what people thought about it, if people thought I'd be goofy for making a guitar out of a shovel. It just was a fun project that I wanted to do. So think about the things that you'd like to do and just go do them and enjoy them, because we never know how much time we have on this rock that's just flying through space. We're just this little speck, and silly things like that. So hope you enjoyed it. Please, hang around, come back for another video, subscribe if you're not subscribed, because I really want you to be happy, fun-loving, and carefree, playing with your shovel on your homestead and drinking your favorite beverage.